Well, I've been working on wiring up the batteries, getting everything ready to do the test run on the motor. So I've got the throttle extended, key switches on, reverse, neutral, forward. Grab the throttle here, give it a little tug. A little bit of alignment I need to work on. But it works. So we're looking at some fine-tuning on the coupling here. There's very little vibration. And the packing gland has not been filled, so that should help quiet it when I get to that. These are the house batteries on this side, motor batteries on this side. And I'm happy to see it working. Switch it into reverse. A little more whistle on that side. Anyway, I'm a happy camper.